Are you brave enough to confront the darkest corners of human curiosity? Forget Frankenstein's monster. The real horrors were born in sterile labs, under fluorescent lights with clipboards and cold logic. Scientists once dared to ask questions that no one else would, and they paid the price in ethics, morality, and sometimes humanity itself. Today, we dive deep into the most bizarre scientific experiments ever conducted, from psychological torment to mind control, cross-species surgery, and even teleportation conspiracies. Are you ready to face what science is truly capable of? 1. The shocking truth about human nature. The Stanford Prison Experiment, 1971. In a basement at Stanford University, volunteers became prisoners and guards in a simulated jail. Within days, the guards grew violent. The prisoners broke down emotionally. Psychologist Philip Zimbardo watched as normal college students descended into cruelty, proving how fragile morality becomes under authority. The Monster Study, 1939. At the University of Iowa, children in an orphanage were divided into groups. Some were praised for their speech. Others were constantly criticized. Those criticized developed lifelong stutters, a cruel experiment on innocence. It was supposed to help understand stuttering, but instead revealed how words can wound deeper than any weapon. The Milgram Obedience Experiment, 1961. In another study, volunteers were told to deliver electric shocks to a stranger for giving wrong answers. They didn't know the shocks were fake, but their obedience was real. Over 60% continued when ordered, even as screams echoed from the other room. It proved one terrifying truth: humans will obey authority even if it means harming others. 2. When animals became test subjects. The dog head transplant, 1950s. Soviet scientist Vladimir Demikov surgically attached a puppy's head to an adult dog. Both heads were alive, blinked, and even licked, briefly. It was a grim precursor to modern transplant surgery and a haunting glimpse of ambition without empathy. Pavlov's dogs, beyond salivation. Everyone knows Pavlov's ringing bell, but few know how far it went. Pavlov dissected the animal's nervous systems to trace the physical roots of behavior. His work laid the foundation of behavioral psychology, but the cost was high. Countless animals sacrificed for understanding the mind. The monkey drug trials, 1969. Scientists gave monkeys access to cocaine, morphine, and amphetamines. Within days, they became addicted, violent, and in some cases, self-destructive. The study was meant to reveal addiction mechanisms, but instead revealed a mirror to human weakness. 3. The quest for the unseen. The Philadelphia Experiment, 1943. A legend claims the U.S. Navy made a ship disappear, teleporting the USS Eldridge through space and time. Witnesses spoke of sailors fused into metal screaming. Officially, it's dismissed as myth, but conspiracy theorists still claim classified teleportation research began that day.
The CIA actually funded psychic research, remote viewing experiments, where participants claimed to see distant places or events with the mind alone. The results were inconsistent. Some cases were shockingly accurate. Was it coincidence or untapped potential of human consciousness? The ghost in the machine experiments. Throughout the 1980s, scientists explored whether consciousness could exist outside the body, through brain scans, near-death experiences, and even computer interfaces. They found nothing concrete, yet the question lingers: is the mind just neurons or something eternal? Experiments that redefined reality. The double-slit experiment. Fire light through two slits and you get interference patterns, unless someone observes it. Then reality itself changes. This quantum mystery suggests that observation, consciousness, might shape existence itself. The God particle, Higgs boson. In 2012, scientists finally found the elusive Higgs boson, the particle that gives mass to everything. It confirmed theories decades in the making, but also raised questions. What came before mass? And could manipulating it unlock the very fabric of creation? Cryogenic freezing and immortality. Today, hundreds of people are cryogenically frozen, hoping one day science can bring them back. Bodies rest in liquid nitrogen, silent, waiting. But can we really cheat death? Or are we only preserving hope? Beyond the lab, future frontiers. CRISPR gene editing. For the first time, humanity can rewrite its own DNA, cure disease, erase defects, or design perfection. But with that power comes danger. What happens when parents can choose intelligence, height, or beauty? When playing God becomes a subscription plan? Neural links now allow paralyzed people to move robotic limbs, or even type with thought alone. We are merging with our machines. Soon, memory, emotion, and experience might be downloadable. Will we lose humanity in the process, or evolve beyond it? The metaverse and simulated realities. With virtual worlds becoming indistinguishable from reality, we might already be living in one. Philosophers and physicists alike are asking, if everything can be simulated, then what makes something real? From orphans to dogs, from soldiers to subatomic particles, the story of science is both brilliance and brutality. Every breakthrough begins as a question, but not every question should be answered. So here's your challenge. Would you dare to push the limits of knowledge knowing what it might cost? Because in the end, the most dangerous experiment is human curiosity itself.